Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Robinhood wallet application on your iPhone. So let's get started without further ado. So to get started, first make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Once you do that, go and tap open your app store. Bring up the search box and then in the search bar, type in Robinhood wallet. Now make a search for it and then look for this application. Robinhood Wallet is a self-custody wallet which allows that's your portal to Web3 where you can store, manage your crypto on Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and much more. The wallet gives you full control over your crypto, which means you hold the private keys to your assets. To get the application downloaded, tap the Get button and wait for the application to download and install on your iOS device. And once you tap on the Get button, your download process should start. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed and you'll be able to open up the application just fine. That is how you can easily download the Robinhood Wallet application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.